I want to show you how to create a new template message. We will start by clicking on this icon and clicking on templates. And I'm going to click on new template to create a new one. So this template message is going to be about tracking your order, or let's say order confirmation. Let's give it tracking your order. So when creating the template name, spaces are not allowed. You can only use underscore. So by hitting the spacebar key, it will automatically add an underscore. So tracking your order, you can give it your name. So this is going to be a utility message, and I will provide the header of this message, which is going to be order tracking. So what I want to add on the body is name of the customer. So since I'm going to be using this template for different customers, I'm going to add a variable in the place of name. So where we have one, it's going to be replaced by the name of the customer when I'm about to use the template message. And so when creating variables, you need to provide a sample. So what is expected to be in here has to be a meaningful value. So in this case, since it's going to be the name of the customer, I will provide a meaningful example here. Let's say the customer's name is John or Femi. So these are meaningful examples of what is expected to be in here. So hi Femi or hi John, thank you for shopping with us. Okay, so instead of us, let's say I want to put in our brand name here. So shopping with Siteti, right? So in this case, where we have two, I'm going to provide the name of the brand, say Siteti. If it's Jumia, you can put in Jumia.com, and to proceed to add in more information, getting your order number. So what is the order number? Order numbers are also dynamic values for every single customer, or each time you want to send the template message, the order number is dynamic. So I'm going to add another variable here in place of the order number. In this case, just give it a random number. An example, if yours is 5 digits, you make it 5. If it's going to be 6 digits, you make it 6. So in my own case, my tracking number is 5 digits and ready to be shipped, and will notify you when it has been sent. Okay, so I'm going to call this order confirmation instead of tracking order. All right, make the corrections, make the adjustments, preview the content, and then the footer is going to be sent from Siteti, and the call to action. So I want them to visit the website to track their order when the message is sent to them. So they will see a button, and when they click on it, let's say I want the message to be track order, and when they click on it, it should take them to Siteti.com, right? So you can go through it to be sure that everything looks good, and when you're done, you click on submit. You click on submit for Meta to preview and approve your template message. So yeah, as you can see, our template message has been approved. You can see the green mark here indicating it has been approved. And for some of, in most cases, when you try to create a utility message, the Meta team will preview the message, and if they see or perceive the content to be a marketing content, they will automatically categorize the message to be a marketing message instead of utility. So it's good to always check. Once you get it approved, check the category before you send so that you don't overspend. Now that we have the template approved, let's see how we can send a sample. Let's skip this. So how do we send a sample to a customer? So I'm going to choose one name. Let me look for someone. I don't want to send to segment. I'll look for a specific contacts. Do I have? I'm trying to send it to myself. Okay, so what I will do is instead I will choose a segment where I have my name. Okay, so I'll choose a segment and send to someone there. All right, so where we have those template variables, for example, the option 1 was for name. I'm going to provide the original name. In this case, I want to send this to the customer. His name is Olu, and the brand name is let's say the brand name is Jumia or Konga, and then the tracking order will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and that's all I need to do, and I can just go ahead and send, or I can schedule a broadcast if I want to, and then just put in the dates. Let's say I want it to go out tomorrow, and then schedule to fire just once and then save. So that's it. That's how you create a template message and send a template message. And if you are using the public API, for instance, so what you do is when you are calling the endpoint, you have to provide these template variables for each of the options. So option 1 will be the name, option 2 will be the brand name or whatever you want to put in there, and then option 3 will be the tracking order. To make sure, let's go back to the template message again. So each and every position really matters. If you put in the tracking order in position 1, it's going to mess up your message. And if you put in the name of the customer in position 3, it's going to mess up the message. So you want to be sure of the positioning. So template position 1 is for the name, position 2 is for your brand name, and position 3 is for the tracking order. So that's it, guys. Hope this was helpful. Thanks.